Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make chai spice from scratch with spices that you surely have in your cupboard. And then we are going to show you how to make a perfect cup of chai. So my spices are, I have 2 tablespoons dry ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of clove powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of cinnamon powder, and a teaspoon of elaichi powder. And here I also have 2 teaspoons of loose tea leaf. You can use any tea leaf to your liking. And I also have a star anise, which I'll boil in my water. And then for the taste, I have 1.5 teaspoon of sugar, but you can add sugar to your taste. I have a cup of milk here and a cup of water that's already boiling for the tea. Now I'm going to add in all my spices to the bowl. So I'm going to give this a good mix. For my chai, I'm going to use 1/2 teaspoon of this mixture, and thereafter you can store the mixture for another use. Now we are going to make our tea. I've got my 1 cup water which is boiling. To the water, add in the star anise and the tea leaf. I will let this brew for 2 minutes. The tea is brewed. Now I'm gonna add in my milk. And I'm gonna turn down the heat for it to simmer on low for 10 minutes. I'm adding in my 1/2 teaspoon of spice and my 1.5 teaspoon of sugar. And I'll give this another 2 minutes. Now the tea is done. I'm going to switch my stove off and give it a strain, and then I'm ready to serve. If you prefer, if you have lemongrass, you can add it in, or a thumb of finely sliced ginger to the tea. Here you go, a quick and simple but very delicious cup of chai. It goes very well with some homemade biscuit, and Pranesh will link the recipe for the biscuit. And thank you all for watching and enjoy.